I love making the gummies. Probably my favorite.
We got Kabrina over here. She is our main cook for our Zen gummies. We are currently cooking hybrid mini 1000 milligram gummies. So what she's gonna get ready to do, she's actually getting ready to infuse this pot with our oil, then put in the flavoring and the food coloring to give it that nice little color and flavor.
So right now I'm infusing the pot. I'm getting the color added to give it a nice purple color because we're making the dark berries. And then after that, I'm gonna get the citric added. And this is our last step before we get the Brix and the pH to make sure the pot's ready to pass over. So this is actually our Brix meter. So it'll tell me basically make sure that we've got the enough water content out of the gummy so that they'll set properly.
So Brandon, whenever he's pouring it, he's gonna try and pour it as close to the top as he can get, corner to corner, and kind of collectively keep the gummy in one area to kind of keep it warm in that one area. So whenever it comes to this side, it's not, you know, started to cure and cool off, and it's a lot harder to manipulate and work with if it's already cooled off. He's just trying to keep it into one spot. And then what I'm doing here is I'm just going to start spreading from corner to corner on this gummy mold. Try to make sure I'm not getting any off of the mold onto the tray. Definitely doesn't happen overnight. It definitely, practice is perfect for this. It's very easy to get an uneven mold if you're not pulling it down. And that is done. Now we take it, put it on this rack, and it cures overnight. And then in the morning when they come in, they pop the gummies out into bags. Then they'll get sanded and bagged up into packs of 25. So we do all of our mini SKUs, which are our hybrid mini 250 packs, our hybrid thousands, which we're doing. And those two SKUs mimic the flavors. So we have pineapple, mango, strawberry, fruit punch, and dark berry in both of those. We also do a hybrid mini 500 pack, which those come pineapple, orange, watermelon. We also do fruit punch minis on their own. Those are both 250 milligram packs. Those are both fruit punch. And then we do a mini Fico dark berry, which do not get sanded. And we also do a mini night gummy with melatonin that also does not get sanded. And then in this kitchen, we also do single gummy molds as well.